How can I get a refund for a transaction sent to the wrong person on Cash App?
Hello viewers. In today's video, we're going to address a situation that might happen to anyone using Cash App, accidentally sending a transaction to the wrong person. But don't worry, we'll guide you on how to request a refund on Cash App when this happens.
Is getting a refund possible?
First and foremost, let's clear the air. Yes, it is possible to request a refund on Cash App if you accidentally sent money to the wrong person. However, getting the refund depends on the recipient agreeing to it. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of requesting a refund.
How to request a refund?
Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Open the Cash App on your phone. 2. Tap on the Activity tab, which is represented by the clock icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Here, you'll find all your transaction history. Find the payment you want to refund and tap on it. 4. Once you're on the payment page, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. 5. A menu will appear. Tap on the Refund option. 6. Finally, hit the OK button to confirm your refund request. Remember, this will send a refund request to the recipient. It's up to them whether to accept it or not.
What if the recipient doesn't accept my refund request?
If the recipient doesn't respond or declines your refund request, you still have a few options. 1. Contact the recipient directly. If you know them, you might try to reach out and explain the situation. 2. Get help from Cash App support. You can also contact Cash App's customer service through the app. Go to the Support section, which you'll find on the Profile page. Here, you can report your issue and get assistance. Remember, in cases of fraud or unauthorized transactions, it's critical to contact Cash App support immediately. They can provide you with the best guidance based on your specific situation. That wraps up our guide on how to get a refund from a wrong transaction on Cash App. Remember, while the steps are straightforward, the refund depends on the recipient's willingness to accept your request. And if they don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, double-check before hitting that send button. Thanks for watching.